Hi guys! Magandang araw! This is Shanday Lee. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, paano hindi makareceive ng messages sa Facebook Messenger nang hindi mo kailangang i-block yung tao. Maraming rason kung bakit natin to kailangan. Minsan gusto mo lang ng peace and quiet. Minsan ayaw mo maisturbo sa work. Minsan may mga tao talagang dapat i-distance mo muna emotionally. Charis! Ang maganda dito, hindi mo kailangan mag-delete ng account, hindi mo kailangan mag-block, at hindi nila malalaman na iniiwasan mo sila. Lahat ng ituturo ko dito ay built-in features lang ni Messenger na 99% ng users hindi alam paano gamitin ng tama. Tara, simulan na natin. Let's go! Kapag nandito ka na sa inbox, sa Messenger, pumunta ka lang dyan sa 3 lines, pindutin mo yan. Then, tap mo yung settings. Then, hanapin lang po ang privacy and safety. Yan, itap mo po yung message delivery. Yan, may nakalagay dito, decide whether messages request go to your chats or your message request folder or whether to receive them at all. So, dito sa people with your phone number, pindutin mo yan and ilagay mo siya sa don't receive request. Ayan, nakilagay na siya dyan sa don't receive request. I-back mo, pumunta ka dito sa friends, so friends and Facebook. Ilagay mo din siya sa don't receive request. And dito sa people in your Facebook groups, ayan, don't receive request. Dito sa pages you follow, don't receive request again. Then, others on Messenger or Facebook, don't receive request. So, dapat mo siyang ilagay lahat sa don't receive request para nga hindi ka makareceive ng mga messages galing dyan sa people with your phone number, friends of Facebook, people in your Facebook groups and pages you follow, others on Messenger or Facebook. So, lahat yan kailangan mong iset as don't receive request. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!
I feel like I'm losing my mind.